Hello, this is Sonia from my Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. We are starting 4 new memory verses this month, and it's called Crowns and Treasures. It is the crowns of reward of crowns and the where are we putting our treasures. So usually I cut all my memory verses out and I put it in the back of the box to keep it ready there. Our first memory verse is James 1 verse 12, which is a beautiful one. Blessed is the man who remains steadfast under trial, for when he stood the test of time, he will receive the crown of life, which God has promised to those who love him. Absolutely stunning verse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this behind the daily section. So if you join us this month, this is the verse we're going to concentrate on for the next week. So you can put that behind daily. So if you joined us previously, your old daily verse, you're going to move behind even. So we can practice that on the even days of the week. Then your old even verse, you're going to move into odd. So you're going to practice that on the odd days of the week, like the 5th, 7th, and so forth. Your old odd day of the week, you're going to move into the weekly section. Last time we did, I think, Monday, so we're going to do Tuesday. So we're going to move it into the Tuesday section. Our old Tuesday verse, we're going to move into the monthly section. You can choose any place in the monthly section. I'm just always choosing one where I think there is not so many cards in. I usually have 2 or 3, even 4 cards behind this section because I've obviously have memorized scripture for a while. So basically when I get to, for instance, the 17th, I see I've got 2 verses to revise here. So I'm actually going to put it behind the 17th because there's just 2 verses. So when I get to the 17th of the month, I just revise these verses. So I hope that makes sense. So yeah, as I said, if you joined us this week, I hope it goes well with memorizing this scripture. It's a bit of a long one, but write it out, draw pictures, do actions, repeat it out loud, whatever you need to do. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to take my book, which I've stuck in my free memory verse bundle practice sheets, which you can also get. You can download yourself and make a little box like that. And then I've stuck it already in there. And then I'm going to start practicing tomorrow morning. When I start doing my Bible study in the morning, I'm going to practice it. So I hope that makes sense. And you must have a fantastic day. And talk to you soon. Bye-bye.